Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to review this office mesh ergonomic gaming chair that I bought online for my sister. She's a huge fan of gaming and she always wanted a comfortable and stylish chair for her gaming setup. She asked me to help her buy a gaming chair that was the same as mine. This office mesh ergonomic gaming chair is a great choice for anyone who wants a minimalistic and good quality chair that can support their posture and enhance their gaming experience. It has an ergonomic design that conforms to the shape of your body and provides optimal support for your back, neck, and head. It also has a movable footrest that you can adjust to your preference and relax your legs while gaming. One of the best features of this chair is that you can swivel and move in any direction with ease. It has 360-degree rotating wheels that allow you to move around your gaming area without any hassle. The wheels are also rugged and durable, so they can withstand any surface and last for a long time. The chair is made of high-quality mesh material that is breathable and comfortable. It also has a sleek and modern look that you can match any gaming decor. The chair comes in different colors, but I choose the gray one for my sister because she likes it simple and elegant. I ordered the chair online and it arrived in just a few days. The assembly was very easy and it took me less than 20 minutes to put it together. The instructions were clear and the tools were included in the package. I bought the same gaming chair a year ago and it's still in good condition. What I love about this mesh type gaming chair is that it doesn't flake off like the one with the leather type cover. You can check the video description for the shop link. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll see you in my next video.